Hello everyone, today I am talking about hepatitis A. In this presentation, I am presenting what is hepatitis A, what is causes, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, vaccination, prevention and conclusion. So first of all, I start with what is hepatitis A. It is an acute or short-time viral infection. It is liver inflammation that is transmitted through the fecal-oral route. According to WHO, HIV had many names in the past. Epidemic hepatitis, HA and type A hepatitis, epidemic jaundice. Incubation period approximately 28 days. In this slide, HIV means hepatitis A virus and HA means hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is spread by hepatitis A virus. It is non-enveloped. It is a RNA virus belong to picornavirus family. Causes: the virus most commonly spread when you eat or drink something contaminated with fecal matter, even just tiny amount. Hepatitis A virus can spread drinking contaminated water, eating raw shellfish from water polluted with sewage, being in close contact with person who is infected, having sex with someone who has the virus. In rare cases, it can be spread by contaminated blood. Who is at high risk? Travel or work in area of the world where hepatitis A common. Live with another person who has hepatitis A. Sexual contact with someone who has hepatitis A. HIV positive, have a clotting factor disorder such as hemophilia. Use illegal drugs whether injected or not. Symptoms. What are the symptoms? Having this infection means that you have an inflammation in your liver that is caused by the virus. When a person becomes infected with the hepatitis A virus, he or she may not notice any symptoms at first. Symptoms usually appear after you have had the virus for a few weeks. Symptoms like fever, fatigue, nausea, loss of appetite, jaundice, stomach pain, vomiting, dark urine, and diarrhea. In children, hepatitis A generally shows fewer symptoms. Diagnosis: doctor prescribed blood test. Immunoglobulin M anti-HIV used as the primary marker of acute infection. Previous HIV infection diagnosed by the detection of immunoglobulin G anti-HIV. Immunoglobulin G provide protective immunity. Treatment: there is no specific treatment exists for a hepatitis A. Focus on keeping comfortable and controlling signs and symptoms. Rest, manage nausea, avoid alcohol, use medication with care, eat balanced diet, drink plenty of fluids, avoid fatigue. Vaccination: the hepatitis A vaccine is available internationally and can prevent infection with the hepatitis A virus. The hepatitis A vaccine is given in 2 doses, 6 months apart. It is safe vaccine and will not give you hepatitis A. It takes 2 to 4 weeks after the first dose to become immune to the hepatitis A virus. Children at age 1 or older be given the hepatitis A vaccine. Provide a protection for up to 20 years. Other people that should get the vaccine include men who have sex with men, people who use electrodes, people who receive certain medical treatments such as clotting factor concentrate. Complication: in rare cases, hepatitis A can cause a sudden loss of liver function, especially in older adults or people with chronic liver disease. Prevention: improved sanitation, food safety, immunization, vaccination, follow safety precautions when traveling such as drink bottled water, personal hygiene practice such as regular hand washing with safe water. The best way to defend yourself is by getting vaccinated. Conclusion: an infection of liver that caused by virus. Hepatitis A does not become chronic. Hepatitis A can invade the human body through food or contaminated with a small amount of feces. No treatment for hepatitis A infection besides rest and managing any symptoms. Safe vaccine to prevent hepatitis A.